investing for your future. In this video today, we will talk about what investment is, the importance of investment, and how to invest for your future. Let's begin. What is an investment? An investment can be termed as an asset that a person creates to grow money in its literal sense. Then the generated wealth can be utilized to fulfill the financial requirements of that person. For example, the needs could be saving for retirements, spending on educations, repayment of loans, or maybe buying another assets, etc. Any and every financial needs of a person's can be met if the person starts investing properly and timely. Importance of investing. Now, why is investing so important? It is because of inflation. Inflation can be described as an increase in the price of services and materials. So when the inflation rate increases, it essentially decreases the person's purchasing power. That is, it decreases the value of the money. When inflation increases, you tend to buy fewer things with the same amount which you could earlier purchase more things. So, to beat inflation, it is extremely important to invest. Investment is the way through which your money grows on its own by earning interest. Ways of investing. There are numerous ways through which a person can invest. Some have a higher risk and higher returns, while others have lower risk and lower interest. So it is extremely important that before investing your hard-earned money, you know your investments and risk appetite and invest wisely. Here we have discussed 3 ways through which you can invest. Direct equity. This is the most trendy way of investing. It is directly investing in stock. So what happens is, when a person purchases a particular stock of a company, they become partial owners of that company. This means that you have now directly invested in the development and growth of that company. It is typically considered a risky investment as people tend to put money in it based on hearsay and without actually knowing about the operations of the stock market. But if understood properly, it could yield good returns. Mutual funds. A mutual fund is a type of investment vehicle that collects money from various individuals and institutional participants who share a common investment goal. Then the management of that pool of money is done by a fund manager, who is usually a professional in the finance world. They invest in assets and securities to create the highest returns for their investors. Fixed deposits. This is a less risky investment option and thus has fixed returns. Banks or other financial institutions offer these. You deposit a large sum for a set period and get a specified interest rate. The fund is, however, relatively secured when invested in fixed deposits. So, this is all that you need to know about investment. Let me know in the comment sections when and how you will start with your investment journey.